As Jesus approached Jericho, a blind man was sitting by the roadside begging. When he heard the crowd going by, he asked what was happening. They told him.
Jesus of Nazareth is passing by.
He called out,
Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me.
Those who led the way rebuked him and told him to be quiet. But he shouted all the more,
Son of David, have mercy on me.
Jesus stopped and ordered the man to be brought to him. When he came near, Jesus asked him,
What do you want me to do for you?
Lord, I want to see,
he replied. Jesus said to him,
Receive your sight. Your faith has healed you.
Immediately he received his sight and followed Jesus, praising God. When all the people saw it, they also praised God.